Mom, I have a question. Why do people snore? It sounds like a chainsaw. When we fall asleep at night, girl, whistles loosen up tight. The airway gets a little small, so air must squeeze through it all. As it rushes in and out, our tissues wobble about. That vibration makes the roar, that funny rumble and snore. Not monsters, not a bear, just wiggly throat and moving air.